Hey guys, hope you all safe, doing well, acting responsibly, and understanding the gravity of this situation. I suggest all should stay home and be with their family, not venture out. Anyways, now let's start our virtual lessons. Straight jump into the screen and show you how to tune percussion instruments. Now I have a logic session here with these loops. These are Indian loops. Let's hear them. So it's you see it's the same loop on different tracks. The reason is that I'm going to tune the loops with two different kind of algorithms, and we'll see how each one of you them can help you in tuning your Indian percussions. This is a question which is often asked to me, that how do I tune Indian percussions? How do I optimize the tuning of Indian percussions? Well, I'll show you a very good plugin to do that, a very creative plugin to do that. So first, let's take this, the first part of the loop and try and tune it through Logic. Logic has a great algorithm called Flex. It is decent. It is quite nice. Now let's hear how it sounds after the tuning is done. After four semitones, I have shifted it down, and let me hear how it sounds now. Okay, quite nice. Now, the same loop here, I'll be shifting four semitones down, but with a plugin called Torque. Okay, so this is a Waves plugin called Torque. I love this plugin. This is one of the most innovative plugins in my book, and I used it all the times to tune percussion strums. But now let's hear the result with and without Torque. So as you can see, it's a different level of tuning itself. It uses a very unique algorithm called organic resynthesis, if you can see here. And organic resynthesis assures that there are no artifacts. I'll play this one with the logic tuning and with the talk tuning. Okay. So similarly, I have two other loops which I have done here in both in logic and in torque. They are minus four semitones itself. You can just hear them. And here's another one. So basically, let me explain you a bit about this entire plugin. Now you see in the center is the heart of the plugin, which is the torque, where you can reshape your sound, the tuning of the sound, even the character of the sound by tuning this down or up. Okay, and you have the speed of the torque, the from low to high, then the threshold. It says that it should be around yellow mark to get the torque. So if I play this again, so you can see you can adjust the threshold of the torque, how much you want, what effect you want of the torque, and the overall output can also be trimmed up or down. Okay, and this is the focus. This is where I select the frequency of the torque. You see, I can go left and right on the focus here, left and right, and select whatever frequency suits the best for what you want to shape the sound of. Or for in my case, I wanted to tune the percussions. So whatever the frequency suits best, you can adjust with the focus frequency. So if you need, say, another focus frequency, or you need another torque, you can take another instance of torque and select another focus frequency and be very creative. So like I have selected torque, another torque here, and I wanted to be creative with this loop. So what I have done is I have automated this the torque here. I will play you what the result is. It sounds really nice. It sounds really creative. I'll play it again for you. So you see, I've automated the torque from low to high, and this kind of change or this kind of pitch manipulation is, I felt, only possible in a plugin like this because it is really wonderful to work with, and the algorithm is really nice. I like the layout also; it's very well done. And you are working on a track which has Indian percussions, this guy is the right guy for you to tune. Many people prefer Melodyne also. That's a great way of tuning. But I feel Torque is more intuitive. It's quick and it gives you the result really effectively. Okay. I will see you next time with another brand new plugin. How does it influence the sound and sonic quality of your productions? And I hope this helped. I see you on Thursday. Shine on, guys.